Welcome to Creative Momentum's Make It Mean It, guided meditation for drafting exquisite art of any genre in 10 minutes. In this meditation, we're going to channel the Judgment card, the 20th card in the Major Arcana. Let's start by sitting or standing quietly for a moment. Close your eyes if you like. And take a few deep breaths. As you breathe, notice the part of yourself that has been waking up to a higher calling, or that has been preparing for a rite of passage into a new phase of life. You're welcome to keep your eyes closed and to meditate, or to open your eyes and write or sketch or improvise. And let's begin the make it part of our meditation, where we let our associative mind play around. You can respond to the prompts as yourself or as a character, and you can take the prompts as literally or imaginatively as you like. If the next phase of your life is a landscape or a skyline or a body of water, where will you be? What textures, smells, and temperatures will you experience in this place? How will you move in this place? Will you be alone or with others? What will be forgiven? What will be revealed? This completes the make it part of our meditation. And now we'll move into mean it. So, in this next stage of the creative process, we look back at what we just envisioned, explored, or created, and we identify the resonant elements that arose. So, look at what you created or think back over what you explored and notice everything that has repeated words, repeated images, as well as anything surprising. You can pause the recording to do this and come back as soon as you've noted those repetitions and surprises. Now notice if any of the following themes or symbols from the Judgment Tarot card have shown up in what you envisioned or created. And see if these themes or symbols help you understand your exploration so that you can further articulate the questions you're asking or the story you're telling. The Judgment card tells us that we are deeply changed. This card represents a rite of passage, rising to a higher calling, forgiveness, release, and celebrating a new life. The naked figures have no more secrets. They feel awe, amazement, and the energy of their collective awakening. The blue sky represents clarity, and the pink clouds represent acceptance and love. The cosmic figure represents an expanded consciousness. Settle into this meaning you've made and see how your experience feels in your body. See if any intentions or questions arise towards continuing to explore this meaning in your life and or in your art. Keep breathing. And as you're ready, open your eyes. Thank you so much for showing up to your creativity and to your inner voice. Create powerfully.